Hello everyone, just wait and listen me for 20 seconds. I am Rishi Prasad Maurya and I am here to provide website for you. In this 2024 era, if you are a YouTuber, content creator, influencer, you have any type of business you have. In this 2024 era, you asked to have your own website. Then what are you waiting for? We are here and my team is here to create top-notch level of website which are scrolling on your screen. Our aim is to not influence people and manipulate people by words. We showcase our skill through our work and experience. So connect with us, and the websites which are scrolling on your screen, we are going to create this type of notch level of websites. We are going to populate all your data in that website, and the website contains 3D effects, transitions, animations, which are going to engage people to visit your own website. Then just connect with us and we are going to make your site on an affordable price. So just go to the description box and connect with us, and we will start a soft communication through your contact details. Thank you.